Sairam children. So today we are back with our English period and we are going to do composition today. And in composition we are going to learn something really interesting, that is picture composition. So today's topic is picture composition. Now children, in picture composition, we will be given a picture. We are going to observe that picture and write a composition on that picture. Okay. So what is picture composition? Picture composition is observing the picture and writing a composition on the picture. Okay. Now let us see. Children, there's a very famous quote here. Every picture tells us a story. Now, what does this mean? Every picture tells us a story. Children, whenever you have any functions at home, say your birthday party or some puja or a get together, right? Your parents click photos, they have pictures removed, yes. And when later on at some date you see those pictures, you are very happy seeing all those pictures and you start telling stories. Yes, this birthday party, all my friends had come and my mother had baked a lovely cake for me. Yes, we had lots of fun. We played lots of games. So you're able to tell stories. You're able to see the picture and say what had happened, what is shown in that picture, right? If you go for a picnic and you see the picture of a picnic, you say, "Oh yeah, we had so much fun there." Right? We played in the water, we had gola, we had ice cream, everything. Yes. So what is picture? When you see a picture, you're able to tell a story. Seeing a picture, you can summarize what is shown in the picture, what is happening. Yes. So what is a picture composition? Let us see. A picture composition involves writing sentences based on a given picture or a set of pictures. A picture composition involves writing sentences based on a given picture or a set of pictures. That means you are given a picture or say 2 3 pictures, and seeing those pictures you can write sentences to form a composition. Yes. So a picture composition requires a writer to carefully observe the given picture and describe it in the form of a story or composition having meaningful sentences. Okay, so what is a picture composition? It requires the writer. Who is the writer here? You're going to be the writer because you're going to write the picture composition. So a picture composition requires you to carefully observe the given picture and describe it in the form of a story or composition having meaningful sentences. Okay, now how will we do this? There are some steps that we have to follow to do this. So let us see what the steps are. Steps to write a picture composition. So the first step is carefully observe the picture. Whatever picture has been given to you, carefully observe the picture for 2 minutes. Take a note of everything that is there in the picture. What are the things in the picture? How many people are there in the picture? What are they doing? What are the actions in the picture? Observe everything, okay? And then whatever you have observed, the things or actions, you have to note them. So first, carefully observe the picture and observe the things or the actions that you can see, and then start noting down your observations. Whatever you're observing, you start making a note of it in a logical order. Okay, so whatever you note, you can ask questions and you will get answers to it, and start noting down so that when you start writing the composition, you can, these points will be useful to you. Okay, now imagine the scene and try to frame sentences. Now imagine that picture that is shown, start imagining what it will be, and the points that you have noted down, make use of both and frame into sentences. Okay, Next is select a suitable title based on the theme. What is shown on the picture? Okay, imagine that and select a suitable title that you can give to the picture. And then write the title at the top of the paragraph as heading. On the top of the page, before you start writing the paragraph, you have to write the title as a heading. Okay. Now see children, I have a picture for you here. Look at the picture carefully. Observe what you all see. Then we will start writing the picture composition for this picture. Okay. Look at the picture carefully. What are the things in the picture? There are trees, there are plants, there are grasses, there are children. How many children are there? Count. Who else is there in the picture? What else is there? There's a mat, there's a basket. Yes, what else is there? A jug is there, plates, glasses. Then what is there in the sky? Clouds are there in the sky, right? So observe the picture. Are you done? Anything else you see, you can note that also. Fine. Let's start noting things down. Now what are the observations that we have made? First when you look at the picture, what do you feel is the picture about? Is it about a birthday party? Or is it about playing in the park? What do you feel is this picture about? Okay, to me, this picture I feel is about a picnic. Okay, so the theme that I will give to this picture is picnic, right? Now next, what do I see? I see two trees over there, right? Then I see some plants, and then I see green grass also, right? Now see children, I told you we are going to write the points logically. What does that mean? I have written two trees over there. So everything relating to trees, plants, grasses, I will be writing them together. I will not write trees first, then after some points I will write about the plants, and then after again some points I write about the grass. No. When I'm talking about trees, everything related to trees, that is the plants, green grass, everything I'll be writing it together. That's why I've mentioned two trees, then plants, then green grass. And then there are 8 children. Did you all count how many children are there? There are 8 children. 6 children are sitting here in front near the mat. One child is with the chef and one child is hiding. Yes, there is a chef also. What is he doing? He is cooking food for the children. Now, what else is there? A boy is watching the chef, right? Then there is a mat. Now everything connected to the mat, we will be writing it together. So there is a pink mat. What else is there on the mat? There is a basket there, jug, plate, glass. Then what is there in the sky? Clouds are there in the sky. And who is hiding behind the bushes? A boy is hiding behind the bushes, right? So these are the points that we have written, and we have written it in a logical order. Now what we are going to do? We are going to frame them into meaningful sentences and write a paragraph. Okay. Now before we write the paragraph, what am I supposed to write first? On the top, yes, the title for this composition. So the theme I said is picnic. So I'll give the title as picnic. Okay. You all can give anything that you feel is good enough and relating to the theme. So the title I have given is picnic. Now we will start framing the sentences and start writing the composition. So how will I write? First thing is children go to the picnic, right? So I'll write children are out for a picnic. It is a beautiful place. There are two coconut trees and a few plants. Yes? First, I have written children are out for a picnic. Full stop. It is a beautiful place. There are two coconut trees and a few plants. Then I'll write there is lush green grass all around. There are seven children enjoying themselves and one is hiding. Right? There were seven children enjoying themselves and one is hiding. There is a chef cooking for them and a boy is learning how to cook. They have put a big tent for themselves. A mat is spread out with a basket, glass, plate, and a jug on it. Clouds are also there in the sky. Children are eagerly waiting to eat. One boy is hiding behind the plants. I think the children are having a lovely time. Okay, children? Understood? So, this is how we have written the composition. Now, when I put this together, this is how it will look, the paragraph. The heading on the top, picnic. Then, children are out for a picnic. It is a beautiful place. There are two coconut trees and a few plants. Lush green grasses all around. There are seven children enjoying themselves and one is hiding somewhere. There is a chef cooking for them and a boy is learning how to cook. They have put a big tent for themselves. A mat is spread out with a basket, glass, plate, and a jug on it. Clouds are also there in the sky. Children are eagerly waiting to eat. One boy is hiding behind the plants. I think the children are having a lovely time. Right? So we have written the paragraph and the title. Did you all understand how to write composition? Yes. What are the steps? First, observe the picture carefully. Then, make a note of all the things that you have observed. Observe the actions going on in the picture. Observe the things. What are the things in the picture? Make a note of everything. Arrange them in logical order. Yes. Then, start framing sentences. Think of a suitable title for the picture. Yes, according to the theme of the picture, decide on a suitable title and then start describing the picture by forming meaningful sentences using the points that you have noted. Yes, children. So, by looking at the picture, we can describe what is there in the picture and write a composition. Okay? Understood, all of you? Now, children, in our composition book, how do we write? Do you remember your composition book? Yes, you have two sides. You use a page left hand side and the right hand side. Do you write it on your left hand side? Do you write composition on the left hand side? No. What do we do on the left hand side? Yes, we will stick or draw pictures on the left hand side. Whatever topic we are writing, a picture or a drawing of that topic, we will draw it on the left hand side and our composition we will write it on the right hand side. Yes, this is how we write in a composition book, right? Okay. So on the left hand side you can stick or draw picture and on the right hand side you have to write the composition. Now this was for you all to learn how to write the composition. I showed this for you to learn how we are supposed to write. Now there is an assignment for you where I want you to write a picture composition on the picture given below. Okay, so now you're going to write a picture composition on the picture that I showed to you now. Okay, look at this picture carefully. Observe what is there, what are the things in the picture, what do you feel is the theme of this picture, and make a note of everything. Write down in point, write down your observations in point, and then you're going to write a picture composition on this picture. Yes, children? Done? Have you all understood? Okay, so happy vacation, children. Enjoy your vacation. Stay at home, stay safe, and have a great time. Okay, bye.